y'all, it's Mindy and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a fun sugar skull makeup tutorial and I wanted to share that with you. Also, I think you're going to get a kick out of Turiana. She decided to do this video with me, and as I've been back watching and editing, I have really just cracked up at some of her expressions and just her being her. So hope you enjoy that too. But anyway, we're going to start out with the Farmasi BB cream. I thought that would set a good foundation and it's very moisturizing. So I wanted to do that first, and then went in with a little bit of the liquid concealer just on a few spots. Normally I would go under my eyes as well, but I decided not to do that since I am going to be putting a lot of color around my eyes anyway. And now I'm going to go in first with the gel eyeliner with Farmasi. I decided to do that instead of just doing the costume paint because this stays really well, and I thought it would give a good outline that would not smudge, and it would just make it a little easier as I paint my face to have that already there. Got to moisturize the lips, can't forget that. And now we're going to start painting my face white. And y'all, this really took a long time to do. I kept wetting the paint and the beauty blender, and it just took forever. So I did cut out a lot of that to save time on the video.
Sing me back, mama, sing me back, 'cause I'd give it all and more to have that for one day. 'Cause I'd give it all and more to have that for one day.
So now I'm just finishing up with some translucent setting powder to make sure that face paint doesn't go anywhere. And I'm going to go in now with an eyeshadow in Baby Cakes color, and then one of our blushes. I decided to go with a pink and red look around the eyes for the color, and then finish it out with the black eyeshadow around the outsides of it. And again, I'm using all Farmasi products for this look other than the face paint that I also purchased to use as well, but everything else is by Farmasi, so there's a lot you can actually do with that makeup. And if you were ever interested in some of what I've used today, I will be sure and have a link to my website in the description box below, and you can click on that and order straight from there, or you can always reach out to me and I'll be glad to help you with any of the purchases. And so right now we are just going to continue working on this sugar skull look.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart. Cause I know we won't make it out, I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out, we've heard it all before. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright, so let's move on.
All right, so now I'm going to take that same gel eyeliner and line off my lips. And I did go just a little bit above my top lip line just to kind of make that a little bit bigger, more dramatic. And then I'm going to bring the lines up each side of my face and then just come down with short strokes to create the stitch look. And then now I'm just going back in with the actual costume paint. I found that having it lined with the gel eyeliner worked really well for keeping it from bleeding out, and then I would just use the costume paint to fill in where needed.
Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out, we've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey, it's alright. Hey, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 Alright, so let's move on. Ain't that a beautiful sight? Coming in quick, a little low in time. I'm gonna catch you just right, pull you up to outer space. Wasn't that a good day? Red guitar, purple haze, stick glove and the ball was all you needed. I needed. Sing me back, mama, sing me back. 'Cause I'd give it all and more to that man. Oh, one day. Ain't that a beautiful sound? Hear the band and accuse the crowd, and the crowd loud, get out of here. It's gone.
Now I'm going to take that same gel eyeliner and create lines on the sides of my face to try and hollow out the cheeks a little more. If I did it again, I believe I would go higher on the line and the contouring. However, it still turned out good. I'm going in now with the Smoky Eyeshadow Trio and doing a little contouring to really hollow out the face and have it more of a skull appearance.
Isn't that a wonderful feeling to throw some burning heat in? You can hear that whip ride from a mile away. Wasn't that a good day? Red guitar, purple haze, the band plays all you really needed. How I needed. Sing me back, mama, sing me back. 'Cause I'd give it all and more to have that. Oh, one day. 'Cause I'd give it all and more to have that. Oh, one day. Ain't that a beautiful sight? Coming in quick, a little low in time. Gonna catch you just right, pull you up to outer space. Wasn't that a good day? Red guitar,